In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your 1Password account. We'll walk through this process step by step so that you can follow along easily. Whether you're switching to another service or no longer need your 1Password account, these instructions will help you understand exactly how to close it down permanently. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the 1Password dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your 1Password account. Enter the usual login credentials that you use for 1Password. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard displaying various management options and account details. Next, locate and click on the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This icon will take you to your profile settings where you can manage personal details and account preferences. After you're in the profile section, look for the option that says Manage Account. Clicking here will direct you to the account management interface for more specific and advanced settings related to your account. In this new layout, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section titled Permanently Delete Account. It's usually located towards the bottom of the page, as providers often place irreversible actions in a less prominent position to avoid accidental deletions. Once you've identified it, click on Permanently Delete Account. You'll typically encounter a notification or warning message at this point, highlighting the consequences of taking such irreversible action. This is a vital step to prevent any regrets once you've gone ahead with the deletion. After you confirm your understanding of the warning, click on Delete Account. This is a crucial affirmation of your decision and signifies that you're ready to remove all data associated with your 1Password account from the provider's servers. The final step is to enter your current account password. This action serves as a security measure, ensuring that no unauthorized deletion takes place. Carefully type in your password. After entering it, click on the Delete button. Once you click it, your account will be set for deletion. Make sure you've backed up any important information you may need, because after this point, the data will not be retrievable. And there you have it, your 1Password account is now deleted. Be sure to confirm that you wish to go through with this process, as it's a permanent action. If you plan on using another password manager, do so before deletion to maintain access to your passwords and other stored information. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.